Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your cultural exchange program with the experiment, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your cultural exchange program with the experiment, begin by visiting their official website. Navigate to the section dedicated to cultural exchange programs. Explore the various program options available to find the one that suits your interests. Click on the program of your choice to access detailed information. Review the eligibility requirements carefully to ensure you qualify. Gather the necessary documents, including your application form, essays, and references. Complete the online application form, ensuring all fields are filled accurately. Upload your supporting documents as specified in the application guidelines. Pay attention to any application fees, and submit your payment as required. After submitting your application, check your email for a confirmation message. Prepare for any interviews or additional assessments required by the program. Stay informed about your application status through your online account or email updates. Once accepted, review the program guidelines thoroughly for important dates and requirements. Connect with your assigned program coordinator for assistance and clarification. Arrange any pre-departure meetings or orientation sessions offered. Prepare for your travel by organizing your visa and any necessary vaccinations. Pack according to your program's recommendations, considering cultural norms. Stay engaged with your host organization and fellow participants leading up to your departure. Arrive at your host location ready to immerse yourself in the cultural exchange experience. Make the most of the opportunity by participating actively in all program activities. After the program, reflect on your experiences and share your insights with your community. Keep in touch with the friends and connections you made during your exchange. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.